Alright, we got a fish on. Get into the boat. "14.5" trout. Good first catch. Come on, buddy. There he goes. Fish on. Fish on. What we got? It's coming to me. Another little trout. Little 13" trout there. See you, bud. Oh yeah, oh yeah, come on. There you go. I hope this camera's recording. It's coming to me. Come on, buddy. I think that's a jack. Yep. Oh, come on. Oh, jack crevalle. Nice little fighter. Little jack crevalle. Ain't caught one of these in a while. Nice. Strong fish. See you, bud. Come on. Come on. There we go. I got something. Oh, looks like a little trout. Yep. Another short trout. Little dinky 13.5" trout. See you, buddy. Let's see what a slam shady bomber would do for us. Only catching short trout so far today. The lures I've been throwing have been I've thrown 4" paddle tails, and I've thrown 4" hoodwinks. Maybe this 5" paddle tail bomber will get us a bigger fish. We'll see. Oh yes, come on. That's, well, come on. Don't you, gum, still not a big one. Come on, get in the net. That one there, maybe my best one of the day. That's definitely the best one I caught today. Whew. It is the best one of the day. It's right at 15. Nice little trout. See you, bud. There we go. Another good trout. Man, that's a legal trout right there. This one's right at 17. Good looking trout. All right, buddy, we're gonna let you go. Come on, buddy. There you go. Yeah, the bomber, that 5-inch paddle tail is getting a little bit bigger trout for me. I got a 15, now 17 off of it. So, size does matter. Oh, oh, oh yeah, come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. What do we got? Another trout. Got him. Not as big. But it's a catch. This one's just short of 15. So not a keeper size, but good trout nonetheless. What we got? Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Come on. Man, he hit that thing right after it hit the water. I probably didn't crank it 2 times, he hit. Come on. Come on. Still not a big one. Is that no? Okay. I'm not even gonna measure this guy. He's short. He's a short little fella.